Hoover Freedom FD22G Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. At 2.1 kilograms, the Freedom FD22G is one of Hoover's lightest vacuums, and with its trigger grip mechanism and detachable head, it's a breeze to use one-handed, proving particularly adept at cleaning curtains, corners and car seats. There's a continuous use switch so you don't have to keep your finger on the button as you clean, and it has a runtime of 25 minutes. This affordable appliance is fitted with a powerful 22V motor and comes with a range of handy extras, including a crevice tool for hard-to-reach areas and an upholstery tool to keep your sofa dust-free. Hoover Sprint S1216RB Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. With a 50-minute runtime, one of the longest in the market, you can give your home a thorough once, twice, or thrice over with this upright cordless vacuum cleaner. It has an adjustable brush bar for tackling different surfaces, from smooth wooden floors to thick carpets, and the floor nozzle is fitted with LED lights so you can illuminate the darkest of nooks and crannies. The reclining handle lets you slide easily under tables, chairs, sofas and beds, and when it comes to emptying the filter, you can get rid of dust and debris without having to get your hands dirty using a simple one-press mechanism. Hoover Discovery DS22G Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Hoover's Discovery range combines loads of innovative features, and the DS22G model is a standout product when it comes to all-round performance. Its rotating brush bar is designed to agitate carpet fibers to loosen dirt and debris for a thorough clean, while the snazzy Turbo Boost feature provides an extra blast of power to shift stubborn soot. It's fitted with H-Spin Core technology, a component that pushes dust right to the bottom of the container so you can empty it without getting your hands dirty, and it comes with a wall mount for neat storage when not in use. It's a bit pricier than the Freedom FD22G, but you get a longer run time at 35 minutes and a larger bin capacity of 0.7 liters. Hoover Dynamic Next DXC10DE Smart 10 kg Condenser Tumble Dryer. The best thing about buying a condenser rather than a vented dryer is that you can install it wherever there's a nearby power socket, great if you're short on space or don't want the hassle of adding an outside air vent. On the downside, you need to remove condensed moisture vapor on a regular basis. This dryer makes it into a roundup thanks to its handy Aquavision feature, a reservoir that's built into the door to make it easy to see when water needs emptying, and a bag-style handle for fuss-free disposal. You can select from 4 levels of dryness, including iron dry and extra dry, and by downloading the Hoover Wizard app you can kickstart things on the go via an Android smartphone. Hoover Dynamic Next DXOC69AFNNFC 9 kg 1600 spin washing machine. We're big fans of this machine's all-in-one wash function, which allows you to bung bright colors and whites in together without the risk of damaging your clothes. And as an added time-saving bonus, it can blitz through a full 9 kg wash in 59 minutes at 20 degrees Celsius and whiz through a small 1.5 kg load in just 14 minutes. As well as being efficient in the time stakes, it's environmentally savvy too, with an A+++ rating and a kg mode feature that weighs your laundry in the first few minutes of a cycle to adjust the time, water and electricity to best suit the load. Hoover HMNB 6182X5WDK50/50 Fridge Freezer. While most fridge freezer combos are split 60/40 with much more space given over to the fridge area, this nifty model offers an equal, or thereabouts, 50/50 split. If frozen food is as important as fresh to you and your family, then this is a good buy. The no-frost function evenly distributes cold air to maintain a constant temperature, which ultimately saves you the annoying job of defrosting, and the built-in water dispenser is handy for on-demand chilled drinks. Oh, and there's a wine rack to keep your whites cool. Hoover HMSO 8650X electric built-in oven in stainless steel. For a neat and unobtrusive finish to your kitchen, you can't beat a built-in appliance, And this keenly priced single oven is just the ticket. It has a family-friendly 65-liter capacity and a range of settings including a pizza mode. Our favorite feature is the Hydro Clean function, which makes it easy to keep things grime-free. You simply pour water into the recess at the bottom of the oven and flick a switch to kickstart a steam clean. Thanks for watching. You'll find all the links down below the video. Subscribe to the channel.